guys, so today I am up here at Tullulah River once again. I decided with a little bit of the weather that was going on, some rainy weather, I wanted to kind of see how trout reacted out here. So I figured, why not take a trip up here this morning, see what we can kind of catch. So we're gonna cut down here to the river. We're gonna try to see what we're gonna use this morning. Hopefully we can get something good. So this, I think, is gonna be the first spot we're gonna hit down here. I think this pool will suit us pretty well. Let me see if we can kind of catch anything. I've been down here before and was able to catch a couple of decent sized trout down in this water. And as you can see, the weather's a little rainy and got a little bit of rain on the camera lens, which I'll have to get that cleaned up. But I'm gonna see if we can catch anything on this back end of this stream here. And then if not, we'll end up heading down that way, see if we can catch anything over there as well. But let's get to it. Alrighty, so we're gonna see what we've got in here. We're gonna try out the fleeting frog. Not sure if you can see that. And I'll leave the picture of it here to the side, as well as a link down in the description if you're curious. But we're gonna go ahead and get this guy tied up. Alrighty. Let's see what we can catch. So we're gonna try casting on this back end over here. I just kind of pull it along the back side, see if maybe anything spots it. Oh, see something following. Alrighty, we got something down there. I see a couple of, it looks like rainbows. We'll see, it's a little up there. Usually don't like to get the lure too high. Let's see, come on. Now you want to bite. Come on. For those that are wondering, this is a stocked river up here in Tullulah. Well, it's technically Rabun County up in North Georgia. This area is called, oh, what was that? We had something jump the surface right there. Oh boy. We might have some big fish in here. So you just keep pulling it across and see if something sees it. And they're hitting the surface. I don't seem too terribly interested in this lure. Let's see. Get back over here on this backside. Come on. I see some of them, they're following the lure up. Maybe go a little bit slower. See if it gives them enough time to They don't seem to be highly interested in the spinner. Might swap over to something else, see if we can hit this top area. Catch something up here, maybe. Oh, we got another fish jumping. Not quite hitting the lure, but they're jumping. They're here. Yeah, I think we're gonna swap over here. Oh. Alrighty. This here is a Panther Martin size 4. This is just your silver guy. Nothing super crazy fancy. I've seen some things stating that rainbow trout are like the little flashier silver type of things. So we will see if that is true. All right. Seem to be tied on. Just make sure we're good. Alrighty. Let's see if this will catch anything's interest. Hoping a little bit more flashier. Potentially draw their attention. And if you're interested in this lure, I'll also leave a picture of it to the side, as well as a link down below. Getting a hit. They just don't want to seem to stay on. They're just interested. Howdy, howdy. Huh? There's probably 5 or 6 right there that are jumping on that top water, but I can't get them to bite one of the spinners. But I mean, I've seen them follow. I've had them hit me a little bit, just a little interest, but they haven't got anything to stay on. You might have better luck than me. Come on. You're in there. There you go. I need to start rolling with you more often. I need to start rolling with you more often. Alrighty, so we'll be jumping over to a Joe's Flies. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, there we go. Filling that up. What we got here? It's a little baby rainbow. Come on, buddy. You're good. Oh, he's jumping. It's a good size. A little baby. A little baby. Oh, there he goes. Bye-bye. Get on out of here. Alrighty, so try out that spot. Fortunately, the rooster tail, which is the bleeding frog or frog bleeding, something like that, that didn't work out very well for us. We did get a couple of nibbles, but nothing was committing. And then we went ahead and jumped over to a Panther martin, which same exact thing happened with that guy. So I am going to walk a little bit upstream, see if we can't find another little hidey hole. I'm gonna revisit the one place that I was last time if I can. Somebody's not already there. See what we can kind of get. I will say the Joe's Flies, which I will drop a picture up here in this top left corner, and I'll also drop some links down below to the lures that I'm using, the spinners. That one actually did pretty decent. I got a couple of bites on it, and of course the gentleman showed up and started fishing straight ahead of me and started catching before I did, so that's usually how that works. So Anywho, we're gonna jump to this next spot, and hopefully we can catch a little bit of something. They seem to be pretty active on the top, so if you come fly fishing on a rainy day, it'll work out for you. Alright, so today we're going to end up trying to use these Powerbait eggs. We're going to see if this works with them. I like that. Come on. Let's see. I need to push the hook through. Come on. There we go. Come here, buddy. Oh, this is a good size. Come here. Oh. I'm ready. That guy right there. Alright, let me see if I can get this. Let's see, buddy. I know. Oh, there we go. Alright. You want to fish? Yeah. I'm only doing catch and release today, so if you're going to take them, you can take them. He's probably 10 inches, 11 inches. Huh? Throw him back? Yeah. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let's see. You got it. Alrighty guys, so let's go and finish it up for this video. seems like spinners were not hitting today. We ended up doing a lot better with the Powerbait, which is the little Powerbait eggs. I'll pop them up on the screen here. Yeah, none of the spinners really hit. There was only the one, which is the Joe's Flies spinners that were actually hitting for me. Other than that, the only thing else I could get was on the Powerbait. So I guess if you decide to come rain and murky-ish water or rainy weather, consider doing so with Powerbait. So anyway, that's going to finish up this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. Potentially consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in.